welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little soft. Last video makeup was not soft, so I guess we'll make this video soft. What does soft mean, you ask? I don't even know, bro. I really don't know. It's been kind of trendy, fake freckles, and I've been doing them for a little bit, and every time I do them, I get a lot of questions like, oh my god, how'd you do it? Because I guess the way I do it is really realistic. But a lot of people ask me how I do my fake freckles, and it's honestly really simple. I just think people are not doing it the right way, because the first time I did it, I remember, was 2 years ago, and then I just thought, I was like, what's the best way to do fake freckles? Easy money. You just take an eyeliner pen and just put dots all over your face. I mean, it works, but it doesn't look natural, so I wanted to show you guys the way I do it, because mine looks pretty natural, I would say. But first, my face is looking a little plain, and I feel like it needs some color, and we're gonna go ultimate soft, so let's just put some blush on. Okay, so I just put some blush on my face so it'll have kind of some color to land on. Plus, I want to look, you know, I'm just gonna put some really light brow bone and inner corner highlight. I'm just gonna get some like golden eyeshadow from this and just put it in the corner like usual. So yeah, you can kind of tell I put some in my inner corner and right under the brow right here. I just did it really lightly. I don't want too much. I'm just trying to look as soft as possible. As you can see, I kind of dragged it out the bottom because I like it that way. I'm looking softer already. And I'll just quickly put some shimmery blush just to you know, set it all. Put some gold shimmer on the nose, don't you think? I think. Okay, let's just get straight into the freckles now. Basically, I don't know if you guys watched my last video. I know I keep referring to it, but it's because that's where I did all the makeup mostly. But the stuff that I used for my eyebrows is exactly the same as the stuff that I'm using for my freckles. It's just this dark brown Sephora eyeshadow that I showed you guys last time, and I used the same brush as well. But basically, there's a technique to this. You have to make sure your brush is sharp, so I don't know if you want to wet it or something, but like mine is sharp right now, so I'm not going to do anything to it. But your brush has to be sharp, and you're going to want to use the pointed part at the end right here, and you're just going to put that in here. And then I know it's going to look strange in the beginning, but just trust the process and just draw dots all over your face like this. Make sure you draw a lot of freckles on the nose part, because that's the part that mostly sticks out. And don't worry if it looks really strange like it does right now, because we'll fix that. So this is the first round. I know you're looking at it and you're like, what the heck? Why does it look like this? Well, that's because you have to blend it. So while we blend it, it's really honestly so simple. I just take my fingers and I don't rub it. You don't rub the eyeshadow into your face, so you just look dirty. So you're just gonna want to tap it. So what I do is I just tap it into my face. I know it sounds like it won't work, but trust. Okay, so usually after your first time of just tapping like crazy, it kind of disappears, but there's like a base for it, you know? But the rest kind of like disappears. Like, as you can see, everything on my nose is there, but just really lightly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this and then go for another round. But this time, I'm gonna make the dots a bit smaller and more like words come to my head. More, I used to know how to speak. That was a good time. I'm gonna make them more close together. Okay, so now that I've done the second round, I'm just gonna blend it out. So you can see, oh my god, they're so cute. I have natural freckles all over me, but I can see that I missed a couple spots right here, or maybe I blended it too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over the spots that I feel like need more. So yeah, basically that's how you do natural fake freckles. Like, it's a really simple process, I'm telling you, it's not hard. Let me come close for a close-up and y'all can see the magic. Oh wait, oh, my lashes. Okay, guys, usually when I do fake freckles, I feel like it's a really natural look, so I don't want to go crazy with mascara. You gotta become innovative. So I don't know if this has been done before or not. I just kind of put 2 and 2 together. I was like, oh, this makes my lashes longer, this makes my lashes longer. And so basically I just got an eyelash curler, and then I got Vaseline and I put it together. I don't know what the heck I just dropped. I just put 2 and 2 together. I was like, Vaseline makes my lashes longer, and so does curling it. So let me put it together and let me show you guys how well that worked out, because I do it every day now because I don't really like to wear mascara. I feel like it pulls my lashes out, and this looks like I have mascara on. I'm gonna go in ahead and curl it. Please ignore the way I'm curling my lashes. I broke my eyelash curler. Okay, now that I've curled it, we're gonna take some Vaseline and we're just gonna rub it onto my lashes. One more round of curling, but I don't go that hard. I just go really lightly because I don't want it to be too curled. I'm not wearing mascara, but please, please, tell me it looks like I'm not wearing any. Look at it. Can't even lie, it looks good, right? And the freckles, ooh, actually now that I'm looking at it closer, I feel like they're looking a little too big. So I'm gonna go in and add some mini ones in between. Keep in mind, you guys, this is literally all with eyeshadow and a brush. So you don't need to go too crazy with like eyebrow pomade or like eyeliner or anything. Eyeshadow works just fine as long as you blend it and you don't literally wipe it off. Okay guys, I taught you 2 hacks technically. I taught you how to make your lashes look long without mascara, and I taught you how to put on fake freckles naturally. Let's have a little montage. If you want to do what I did, just put some blush, some corner eyeshadow, and then curl the lashes with some Vaseline on it, and you already have yourself a cute little soft girl look. I don't know what that means, but it just fits, you know? Remember, pointed brush, eyeshadow. That's the magic. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching, and just give me a thumbs up to show that you love me and support me through everything. And please subscribe, and I'll be back again next week with a video about who knows what. I'll see you guys next week.